It's a beautiful morning. Today is Sunday and I'm going to do some gardening. I'll show you our wildflowers. They have some gorgeous blooms, and then later I'm going to prepare brunch. But for now, look at this fiddle fig. It's so beautiful. So most of the plants that we have in the living room, I move them on this, like on this side. So this one was like really sad too in the living room, and then I moved here, and look at that, it's happy again. And then the rest are in the kitchen. The kitchen is on the same like side, or like the dining area is on the same side. We have fiddle fig here too. This is what I was saying earlier. I moved them to here, like the dining area. Same thing with this one. Oh, this one is new. Husband got this probably like 5-6 months ago. See, so when they get like sufficient sunlight, they are very happy. This is like not easy to take care of, but just providing sunlight and then once a week watering make them happy. But anyway, I need to water the plants. So we are under a like water restriction thing, so we can only water the plants, or we can only turn on our sprinklers twice a week depending on the address. Let me turn this on first, and let's like talk more about the watering restrictions. So I can turn this on today. Look at this beautiful geranium, or geraniums. There are two here, this one and then the other one. So like I mentioned earlier, we are under a like 2-day a week watering restriction, so we could only turn on our sprinklers twice a week depending on the house address, the last number on the house address. We could only turn on our sprinklers Thursdays and Sundays, and today is Sunday. And then the rest of the day, a week, we have to manually water them. Manual watering is not like prohibited. It's just the sprinklers, you could only turn them on twice a week. I'll show you our wildflowers. Oh, look at the lemons. And then more lemons. I think more lemons fell off the tree. There are like 4 here. Well, I could not get them because the sprinkler is already on. So there are 4 here, and then there are 2, 4, there are 7 here, and then 2 more over there. I need to pick them up later. But anyway, let's go to the side yard too. These are pretty. This one and this one. This one forms like an arch. Look at that. And the flowers up close. Gorgeous, right? Look at the flowers. Wildflowers. I love that pink one over there. And then this one is different. Look at this. Oh, this one is like a daisy, I think. It's so exciting to grow like these wildflowers because you don't know what they would look like. So exciting to see, like to wait until they bloom. These ones are purple. I love this one. I'll put this on I'll like pick some later for our brunch, for the table. And then look at this. But anyway, I need to water the plants in the front yard before 9 o'clock. I wonder what this one is. This is what I'm excited about too. See, no idea what it is, so exciting. And then the pink one. This pink one, look. Okay. Let's go back to the living room. Let's go to the front yard. And then here we have this monstera. And then more monstera there. But let's go to the bougainvillea. Look at the bougainvillea. Our view of the bougainvillea from here. And let's go outside to water the plants. And then we have this in front. These are lantana. Look at the bougainvillea. Now I need to pick the figs that fell on the ground. Some of them are like eaten by the birds. And then the apricots too. Another lemon fell. So we have like, how many lemons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5. Yeah, 5 lemons. This one's. I think some of them are like super ripe. So this is apricot. And there are like some new buds too, but these ones are done. So I need to cut them off. And then the roses. Look at these lilies. Beautiful lilies. See, they are so pretty. But for now, I'm going to cut off all this like dead roses. This one is not like really dead, but more dried up from the heat. It's very hot these days. The red one. I'm done gardening. Look at all these lemons that fell off the tree. Actually 2 trees, 2 lemon trees. While we are making cappuccino, I'll show you our grapevine. So here's our view of the grapevine on the trellis that I put together from here, and we could see we could actually see the fruits. I'll show you. Oh, this one is done. Look at these nectar plums. They can be eaten fresh, or they can be made into popsicles or cake or muffins, or can be grilled too, like grilled peach, grilled nectarine. There are more there. I'll get those. And here's a bowl of nectar plum. These are very beautiful too. These are California poppies. I couldn't reach them anymore. And then there's one more here. are actually two. So this, I just pulled them, so look at the skin. This one, different colors, very very fragrant. I see a monarch butterfly. Let's wait. Dad is preparing our menu for next week.
On the grocery list.
On the grocery list. He is in charge of grocery shopping. I'm in charge of cooking. I'm looking for the, I saw not a hummingbird. I saw a hummingbird earlier, but I saw a monarch butterfly. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at, and here's our harvest. The calamansi, the lemons, and then the nectar plum. I would like to use some of this wildflowers. Which one? Here's what I got. I'm preparing a simple brunch, just like these potatoes and some leftover from last night's dinner, and then also from our lunch at King's Fish House. So we went to King's Fish House and we have some leftover halibut, Chilean sea bass, and also like from last night ahi tuna, and tomatoes, some leftover tomatoes, and then this potatoes. So this is what we're having for a quick brunch. And then look at the wildflowers that I picked from the garden. And then the harvest, lemons, nectarines, and then I'm going to make calamansi juice too. So this calamansi I'm going to turn into juice. And I think that's it. So first I need to cook this potatoes. Mint here. I think this is like strawberry mint. Let's check. Let's smell. I can't remember anymore if this is strawberry mint or chocolate mint or orange mint. Oh, I think this is orange mint. Smells so good. So this is perfect on our calamansi juice. And then I'm going to harvest basil too for the frittata. The mint and then the basil. Do we still have basil? Probably need to plant more basil. We have more basil on the other side, but they are more of like Thai basil. I am preparing the calamansi juice. Look at how big. They're kind of like tangerine now. While I'm cooking the potatoes. Once the potatoes are cooked, it's going to be really quick because the rest are cooked already. Just putting them together. Calamansi are very fragrant too. Mouth watering. Almost done. Look at all this juice. And then the basil. Oh no, this mint. Let's put this mint here. Very, very fragrant mint. And then let's put ice and water. Mix. I'll use 5 eggs. And then a splash of milk. And then peppercorns. Fresh peppercorns. Now let's slice this fish. This is Chilean sea bass, this is halibut, and then the ahi tuna. And just slice them into like that. Halibut was really good, but we were like so full, that's why we were not able to finish. The Chilean sea bass is a little salty. So there you go. And then I'll add the fish. Tomatoes like left over from last night. I'll post our last night's dinner after this like brunch video. I'm adding more basil, because I like basil here, and also like on top in the egg. I just need to pour this egg mixture over here, and then I'm going to put this on the oven. Look at how pretty, beautiful looking breakfast or brunch. See? But I need to put this in on the oven, like in a little bit, so the top gets cooked too. And then I'll add like parmesan cheese on top. Shredded parmesan cheese. Here's our Sunday brunch. Frittata with leftover tomatoes and fish from last night. And then we have the calamansi juice. We already drank a little bit of calamansi juice. Josh, say thank you so much for watching. Josh is making toast.
A toast is still toasting for us.
You want me to put frittata on your plate, Josh?
Go on.